In this episode, NASA launches the Shuttle Atlantis on its final flight, Google I/O, and F-35's in flight. QuickSurf Internet Media presents The Geekinator, talking about all things tech and geek. Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm your host Adrian, coming to you almost live from lovely Phoenix, Arizona, here in Studio C1 at QuickSurf Internet Media. The Geekinator is a proud member of the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech, it's here. Do feel free to head on over to techpodcast.com and check out all the other great technology shows over there. Let's go ahead and get into the stories for The Geekinator Season 3, Episode 10. From PC World, there's this article, Shuttle Atlantis lifts off on final flight. NASA's Space Shuttle Atlantis lift off at 2:20 p.m. Eastern Time today. Well, not today, this is the May 14th, heading out on the final mission of its 25-year career. Atlantis and its 6-man crew launched into orbit from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The shuttle, on a 12-day mission to bring supplies and spare parts to the International Space Station, entered orbit within 9 minutes after liftoff. So this is pretty cool. Again, it's the final flight for Atlantis. I found this really awesome photo from astroturf.com of the shuttle and the International Space Station doing a solar transit, and this is really cool. It's basically a silhouette of the shuttle and the space station against the backdrop of the sun. So definitely check it out. If I didn't get permission from the guy who took the photo, then you're not seeing anything right now. But and I'll try to show you on the next episode. But if I did, you should be seeing right now this really sweet photo. So anyway, he gets full credit for taking the photo. Everything's linked up in the show notes, so definitely check that out. But really awesome photo. Let's talk about our sponsor for this episode, GoToAssist Express. If you provide technical support to clients, colleagues, friends, or family, have you found an easy, cost-effective way of supporting them without being there in person? The best way for me to provide technical support is to do it online with GoToAssist Express. I've been able to help friends learn how to use new software, fix family computer problems, which is a big issue for me, without actually being there in person. GoToAssist Express lets you easily view and control any other computer online so you can quickly resolve technical issues, whether you're in customer support, technical consulting, or management, or just a computer guru. GoToAssist will help you increase revenue, reduce travel and support time, and service more clients. It's brought to you by Citrix, so you know GoToAssist Express will be easy and secure. My listeners can try GoToAssist Express free for 30 days. For this special offer, visit gotoassist.com/techpodcast. I repeat, my listeners can try GoToAssist Express free for 30 days. For this special offer, visit gotoassist.com/techpodcast. From Google's I/O conference going on, where I'm not going to report on everything that's happening at the I/O conference, but there's a couple of things that really caught my eye. One of them posted here at ReadWrite Web, making good typography on the web easier. Google introduces Font API and directory. This, in my opinion, has been a long time in coming. There's been a need for it. I'm glad a large internet company like Google is doing it. The story starts off, Google just launched a font directory and a font API that will make it easier for web developers and publishers to use high-quality open-source fonts on their sites. Good typography on the web is still in its infancy, but Google wants to make it easier for developers to use a wider variety of fonts on the web that will go beyond the standard set of web-safe fonts that come pre-installed on most modern computers. The Google Font API uses Google's infrastructure to automatically convert a font to the right format for whatever browser the user is using. According to Google, these fonts also work well with CSS3 and HTML5 styling. So pretty awesome stuff. Check it out. From TechCrunch, there's another story here from Google I/O, and this is kind of the big story that I'm really excited about. Google, Mozilla, and Opera take on H.264 with the WebM project. It's a new royalty-free video codec. Just when H.264 video codec is starting to take over a large portion of new web videos, along comes Google to shake things up again. Today, along with Mozilla and Opera, it's launching the WebM project. It's an open, royalty-free codec that can run in HTML5 browsers without the need for Flash. So, up until now, H.264 has kind of been the default standard for HTML5 video. Well, Google, Mozilla, and Opera are also going to add support for this WebM video format. The container is WebM. It's the VP8 video codec that Google acquired from On2 Technologies. And they're basically making it available. I'm interested to see what encoders come out, that sort of thing. It'll be really cool to get my hands on it, and hopefully provide WebM format videos here on Quicksurf Internet Media. You know, I'm a huge fan of open stuff, so it'll be pretty neat to see. From the New York Times, in the Business Day section, Google has admitted that it has mistakenly collected private data. Essentially, they've been inadvertently collecting snippets of private information that people send over unencrypted wireless networks. This is part of the Google Cam thing that does the Google Street View. You know, it's really unfortunate. You can read the story to get all the details, but, you know, sometimes accidents happen. I don't think that they were doing it on purpose. It just happened to be, you know, an oversight. And now that they've, you know, realized, oh, wait a minute, they're going to rectify it. So, you know, that's always a good thing. From ChannelWeb, Apple has very quietly slipped out a new MacBook with a 10-hour battery life, just like the new MacBook Pros. This is pretty neat. The white plastic polycarbonate MacBook has a new 2.4 gigahertz Core 2 Duo processor, 3.3-inch screen, 2 gigs of system memory, and a 250 or 500 gig hard drive. Pretty awesome stuff. Comes with a lithium polymer battery that provides up to 10 hours of use on a single charge. The combination of new battery chemistry and what Apple calls adaptive charging technology gives it this battery life, and you can recharge it up to 1,000 times, which is unheard of in lithium type battery technology. For most other lithium battery technologies, you usually don't get that kind of lifespan with it, but pretty awesome stuff. Check it out. From Gizmodo, I ran across a story called Two F-35's Thundering Together for the First Time. And basically, the new United States Joint Strike Fighter, the F-35 with the A, B, and C variants, Gizmodo's got some pictures of the first two that rolled off the assembly line flying from Fort Worth, Texas to Edwards Air Force Base in California. Pretty awesome stuff. Definitely check it out. Can't go wrong with it, man. It's good stuff. It's awesome. That'll pretty much do it for this edition of the Geekinator. As always, everything we've talked about is linked up in the show notes. So visit us on the web, quicksurf.com. And you can follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/Adrian_bacon. And follow the new RSS subscription feeds. I've updated them quite some time ago. If you haven't gone to the website and subscribed to the new feeds and desubscribed from the old ones, please do so. And with that, I will see all of you on the next episode. I'll see you then. Bye.